Hey YouTube, St. Frank here. Today, I went by my local Walmart and they had some of these. I hadn't seen these at a store yet. It's a 2019 Topps Gallery. Some little rack packs there. Here's the odds on these if you're interested in researching those. So let's go ahead and open. Okay, let's see what we get. We get a Ryan Borucki rookie card. I like the look of the cards this year. They usually do a good job with like artist renditions instead of photo. And there's the back. Touki Toussaint rookie. Oh, there's a Juan Soto. That's cool with the reflection of the baseball diamond there in his glasses. Zack Greinke. Trevor Bauer. Ooh, that's sweet. Noah Syndergaard. Oh, that's really cool. That's a Gallery Heritage. Interesting. I haven't seen one of those yet. Nicholas Castellanos. These must be parallels with the brown border. Joey Votto. J.D. Martinez. Chris Paddock, rookie. Javier Baez, Nick Senzel, rookie. Yeah, this is definitely the nicest looking gallery set I've ever seen. Be interesting. Oh, I wonder if they say who the artist was. I don't see it on there, but some nice artwork on those. All right, these packs are probably really loud to open. So you got Gary Sanchez, Andrew McCutchen, Buster Posey, Matt Carpenter, Austin Meadows, Master and Apprentice. That's cool, a little insert there. Mookie Betts and Ted Williams. Got Max Scherzer, Ozzie Albies, Victor Robles, Garrett Hampson rookie, Jonathan Villar, and ooh, there's cool Vlad Jr. Alright, well those are pretty cool. I might have to do a couple more of those. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.